In this video, we're going to revise how to add and subtract fractions. First of all, a little bit of theory. When we have a fraction, the top part is going to be called the numerator. So, numerator. And the bottom part is called the denominator. So from now on, you're going to use the right terminology. So denominator. Okay. Numerator, denominator. Okay. The key to adding and subtracting fractions is to have the same denominator in all your fractions. The first example, 4 over 7 plus 5 over 7. That's easy. As you can see, the denominator is 7. The only thing that we need to do is add the numerators together. So that's 4 plus 5 over 7, which is 9 over 7. The only thing that's left for me to do is to simplify this a bit more. I'm going to make this look like a mixed number. So that's going to be 7 plus 2 over 7. 7 over 7, that's the same thing as this. 7 over 7 plus 7 over 7, 2 over 7, which is 1 and 2 sevenths. Okay, now a little bit more difficult. We have two fractions, but the denominator is different. Now what we're going to do, when we have two denominators like this, we're going to try and find the lowest common multiple of these two numbers. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, well, I'm going to give you a little trick that you can do. You can just multiply them together and see and check for yourself, is that the lowest one? So 4 times 5 is 20. And then you're going to check, okay, is 20 the actual lowest common one? And in this case, yes, it is. So 3/4 plus 2 over 5. I'm going to change these fractions. I'm going to put them on a denominator of 20 because 20 is the LCM. Okay, lowest common multiple. 4 times 5 is 20, so 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20, so 2 times 4 is 8. 15 over 20 plus 8 over 20, that is 23 over 20, which is 1 and 3/20. I cannot simplify that any further. So when they ask you to simplify a fraction, please do so as a mixed number. Alright, let's have a look at another example. As you know, this is all revision, guys. You should be okay with this. Then we have 2/3 plus 7 over 12. Again, not the same denominator, so we need to put them on the same denominator. And what is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 12? Don't be fooled. Don't multiply these together. That's not going to be 36, but 12 is your lowest common multiple in this case. So this one does not change. 2/3, 3 times 4 is 12, so 2 times 4 is 8. So you get 8/12 plus 7/12, which is going to be 15/12, which is 1 and 3/12. And I can simplify that a bit more further. That's actually 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so it's actually 1 and 1/4. Okay, let's have a look at a subtraction. In this case, you get 5/8 minus 1 over 3. 8 and 3, the lowest common multiple in this case is going to be 8 times 3, which is 24. 24 is the lowest common multiple, so I'm going to change these fractions into fractions over 24, or with a denominator of 24, sorry. So 8 times 3 is 24, 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 8 is 24, 1 times 8 is 8. So 15 minus 8, that's actually 7 over 24. Okay, this was revision. Good luck with the exercises.